Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript Complete Course. In this video, we are going to talk about DOM replaceChild and removeChild methods in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So the DOM replaceChild method will replace any text or element that you want to replace it, and the DOM removeChild method will remove the element that you want to remove it from your file. So first let's take a look how the replaceChild method works. So let's suppose here we have a data inside our elements, fruit names like orange, apple, banana and grapes. So let's suppose you want to change the orange into like kiwi and any other, or mango, any other fruit name. You can use the replaceChild method. So now let's jump over to the practice and we will do this. So as you can see is a HTML exercise file, and this is the JavaScript file, empty file, and on the right side you can see the live demo of our page, and this is the DOM replaceChild and removeChild methods, and here you can see the name of the fruits. And inside the HTML we have an unordered list, and unordered list has an ID which is a list, and here we have our for data inside our unordered list. So now what we are going to do, first we were practice the replaceChild method. So first let me zoom this so that it will clearly display on the screen. And now let's jump over to the JavaScript, and here we are going to practice our code. So first what we are going to do, we are going to create a variable which will be var new. We are going to create a new element equal to document.create element. So here I'm going to create a new element. So this element will be let's suppose li. So I want to create an li element first, and after that I'm going to create another element. So we have already learned about creating a new element and text and appending them in our previous video. If you didn't watch that video, the link is at the description. You can watch that video as well. So I'm going to do this faster in this video. So now we are going to create a text. So this one will be new text is equal to document dot create nude text, and here I want to create a new text like mango, and after that I'm going to create, so I'm going to append them like first I'm going to use the new element append child. So append child, and after that inside the parentheses I'm going to say new text, and that's it. And now what I'm going to do, so here I have made a mistake. I added a double C to the document, and now when I save this, so now here we're going to create a new variable. So this will be var target equal to document dot get. We're going to target the ID, the list that we have created in our HTML file, the unordered list, and after that we are going to create another variable. So this one will be old element is equal to target. So I'm not going to say document.get element by ID because I've already created a variable for this which is target. So I'm going to directly use the target and children, and for after children I'm going to use the index number of the children. So and inside this inside here I'm going to use the index number of the children. So I'm going to target the 0 index, so the 0 index children. Now let's check on a console. So log, and here we're going to copy the old element name and paste it here. Let's save this. And here I've made a mistake. It's not a node text, it's a text node. So I'm going to change this as well. Text node. Now let's right click, come to the inspect and jump over to the console here. And here you can see here the li is an apple because the 0 index is an apple, and we change it into 1. And let's save this. Now let's check, and the 1 index is orange. Now when we jump over to the HTML file, here you can see the first element is, the first li is apple and the second one is orange. So what we are going to do, we are going to replace the 0 index, which is apple, into mango. Now let me comment this, and here we are going to target the list by using the target variable that we have created, target, and then we are going to use the replace method, replaceChild method, and inside the parentheses we are going to pass 2 parameters. First we are going to use the new variable, the new element, and then we are going to use the old element variable, because we want to replace the old element into a new element. So first I'm going to use a new element and separate this with a comma, and then we are going to pass old element. So this will replace the old element into a new element by using the target, the selected list that we have selected here. And now when we save this, and here you can see the apple is changed or replaced by mango. And if I use the index 1, and when we save this, here you can see the orange is replaced by mango. So this is the use of a replace child. You can replace any text, any element by using the replace method. So now we are going to work on the remove a child method. So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to comment this. We don't need this everything, and we need this target, because we target the list ID, which is the unordered list, and here we are going to change this into a 0 index, and everything is good to go. And now we are going to replace this by remove this method, replaceChild method, into removeChild. And here we only need 1 parameter, and we are going to pass the old one, because here we want to replace this old element of index 0. So what we are going to do, when we save this, here you can see the apple is removed, and if we use the 1, and this time the orange will be removed, here you can see. So this is the uses of a replaceChild and removeChild method. Hope you understand until this point. You can replace or remove any kind of elements you prefer, like paragraph, h1, h2, or any other element you want to replace. So and also you can replace a simple text by using this create text node. I'm going to uncomment this, and here I'm going to use the replaceChild, and here I'm going to only target the new text. Separate this, save this. Here you can see li is changed to a simple text. So hope you understand until this point. If you only want to change the simple text, or you want to change the element, you can do both by using the replaceChild method. So that's it. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.